am Peanut. Today let's find out what we can see in the bedroom. Now let's take a quick house tour and look at the different kinds of household objects. Part 3. Books. Books. Toys. Toys. Hangers. Hangers. Pictures. Pictures. Plants. Plants. Curtains. Curtains. Blinds. Blinds. Vase, which can also be pronounced as vase. Vase or vase. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Wall clock. Wall clock. And lastly, different kinds of decorative items. Decorative items. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different objects which you can see in the bedroom. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.